Tugtog na po ba yun o timer na? Five minutes lang kasi dapat ako. Reset mo, reset. 5 minutes lang daw. Hindi pa ako nagsisimula. Hindi, pero joke ako ng joke, pero sa totoong buhay, hindi kasi ako palaging vocal about how I feel. Kasi nga, pero, if there's one thing that I appreciate with my husband, it's that, dahil sa kanya, natutunan ko po na ipakita yung side na hindi nyo palagi nakikita. At isa sa mga side na yun, isa sa sides na yun, I love writing songs, but I've never had the courage and the confidence to release my songs. Kasi feeling ko, parang hindi naman ako marunong magsulat talaga. Feeling ko lang siguro marunong ako magsulat, pero baka hindi naman talaga yung mga songs na sinusulat ko hindi naman worthy para i-release. Pero sabi niya, love, a bad song is better than a good song you never wrote. And it's like, those chances na feeling mo mag-fail ka, pero never mo namang tinig. And so, of course, I'd like to thank my husband for encouraging me to release the songs I've written. And this next one is one of those songs na tungkol sa mga pressures na pinagdadaanan ng bawat isang babae. Kung meron kang katabing babae ngayon, isang mas mo yun. It's about the struggles we go through and the numbers that put pressure on us. Kailangan ganito ka katagpangkad, kailangan ganito ka kapayat, kailangan ganito na yung achievement mo. Kailangan by the age of 35 may anak ka na. Kailangan by 30 kinakasal ka na. Kailangan may ipon ka na sa ganitong edad. But the thing is, no matter what we do in trying to reach for these standards, kahit eventually maging perfect lang tayo, we will never be happy. Kasi hindi naman yung totoong ikaw. So, kung hindi pa tayo nag-fit sa standards na to, ibig sabihin ba wala na tayong worth sa buhay? That is the message of this song. So, this is to all the women in the venue tonight, to all the mothers, the sisters, sa mga ate na breadwinner, sa mga kaibigan. This song is good. This is numbers. Perfect body, price takes 22 to 25. Still have the right to be in mind. 22 to 24. Still 2 inches more. 5, 4 to 5, 9 to I turn to reach that high. Oh, the numbers don't lie. But is it the truth to believe? If I'm happier, if I'm rich or I'm poor, if I'm moving lost, if I'm wise or a fool, If I'm doing my best, trying to get out of this mess, will I still be alright? If the numbers don't lie. Born in 1966, and no dog can climb no trees. 25 to 35, too late for me to give a try. It is always 24/7. I'm worried about if I had been. Don't know what I should have done, but I still be number one. All the numbers don't lie. Is it the truth to believe? If I'm happy or if I'm rich or I'm poor, if I'm moving lost, if I'm wise or a fool, if I'm doing my best to get out of this mess, will I still be alright? If the numbers don't lie. Though the